A man already on probation for injuring an elderly person walks into court expecting a routine hearing. But when he admits to a new DWI offense, one simple answer changes everything. Will the judge give him another chance, or will a single violation send him straight to prison? Stay tuned as this courtroom hearing takes a dramatic turn.
And that's Shane Myers, 3 cases. All right, that's reset.
MPRPs, 2 new, right? 2 MPRPs in the new. On Myers. Oh, right.
Lopez.
Yes, sir.
And then he just
21-37923 is called the state of Texas versus Euclides. I'm going to try to get his Maciel Lopez. I know I wasn't even close.
You're gonna do it again. You're gonna go straight up and down though, same thumb. I don't need it rolled.
Yeah, don't roll with that'll smudge.
Straight up there.
It's got to
Straight
be.
down. Perfect. One more just like that, right? Just like- Awesome. Thank you. Take care of it.
And this is 21-37923, state of Texas. Pronounce your name. I know Lopez, but how do you pronounce your first name and middle?
Euclides,
Euclides?
Missile.
Misael?
Mhm.
Okay, Lopez. And you were here with Ms. Minaldi, your attorney and the state's attorney does the defendant. I don't have a motion to revoke probation in this file.
That was from the district clerk's office and I forgot that they redo theirs. I apologize, sir. And I thought I fixed these, but I got the court yet.
Okay, if you want to go off that. Not only a motion to revoke, there's a first amended motion. So there's at least 2 things I'm missing. Okay. This is filed on February 17th, 2025. And raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm any statement you make during this hearing shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Yes, you have to speak out. So
Yes.
Yes, good. Thank you. Lower your hand. Can we proceed by summary
Yeah.
on this first amended motion and to revoke probation? He waives a formal reading of this.
Yes, Judge.
In summary, Mr. Lopez, this first amended motion states that on April 18th, 2022 in this court, that you were sentenced to 10 years in prison and that was suspended and you were placed on probation for 10 years for the 3rd degree felony of injury to an elderly person. Is that true?
Truth, yes.
Okay. God bless you. That's a lawyer trying to interrupt the proceedings. What are we going to go on?
Number 1, Your Honor.
Number 1. Allegation 1, Mr. Lopez states that you committed the offense of operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated. They're calling it driving while intoxicated, but I'm sure that's a motor vehicle because driving is not really a crime. I think it's got to be a motor vehicle to be an offense. You can drive a horse, and I guess theoretically, or other. But anyway, operated. Isn't that what it is?
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated. We call that DWI. On or about July 20th, 24 in Jefferson County, Texas, which is in violation of condition 1 of your probation order. And condition 1 of the order states you shall not commit an offense in this state, any other state, or the United States. Do you understand what you're charged with here?
Yes.
Is this allegation true or untrue?
True.
Are you pleading true to this voluntarily?
Yes,
And because it is true as it is alleged?
yes, sir.
Do you understand that a voluntary and knowingly made plea of true to one or more violations of probation, that is enough to grant a motion to revoke probation? Your probation can be revoked, and you can be sentenced to no less than 2 nor more than 10 years confinement in prison, since this is a third-degree felony. Knowing that, do you insist on pleading true today?
Yes.
I find you are pleading true voluntarily. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading true. Is that all we need here?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Well, text one. An agreement has been reached that your probation would be revoked. You would be sentenced to 3 years in prison. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
And you would be given credit for all time you have served in accordance with this case.
Yes, Judge.
If I follow this agreement, sir, you have no right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document? Understand it? Discuss it with your attorney? Are the contents true and correct?
Yes, Judge.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into
No
evidence without objection admitted. Among other things, this states you are waiving any right of appeal if I follow this agreement. Is that true?
Yes, Judge.
I'm going to do that. Anything else to add?
No, Judge.
If not, I'm going to make the findings that in this case, the defendant, Mr. Lopez, has pleaded true voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently to allegation 1, committing the offense of driving while intoxicated, or I think I'm going to, can we amend to add operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Judge.
That's just hope that there's no problems later on down the road. Without objection, this is being amended to add that portion. Once again, he has violated his probation, admitting to voluntarily and knowingly, in a voluntary and knowingly fashion, admitting to committing the offense of operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated on or about July 20th, 2024 in Jefferson County, Texas, which is in violation of condition 1 of his probation order he signed when he began probation, which states do not commit an offense in this state or any other state or the United States of America. And that is enough to grant this motion to revoke probation by a preponderance of the evidence or greater. The motion, first amended motion to revoke probation is hereby granted. Defendant's probation is hereby revoked, and I am following this agreement. The defendant is hereby sentenced to confinement in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice to serve a term of 3 years and will be awarded all credit for time served in accordance with this case under law. Do you understand what has happened today, sir?
Yes, Judge.
Anything else to add
No.
by anybody? All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Go on.
1 decision, 1 admission, and 3 years behind bars. Cases like this show how quickly life can change when probation conditions are violated. If you enjoy real courtroom moments, judge reactions, and powerful legal stories, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and join our growing community. New courtroom videos are uploaded regularly, and you won't want to miss the next case.